Hello students, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be discuss about lightning safety. This is class 8th video and chapter 15, that is some natural phenomenon, and today's topic is lightning safety. In this paragraph, during lightning safety and thunderstorm, follow the following suggestion. So what is the suggestion during lightning safety? First, we have to write here, if we are traveling by bus or anything else, you are safer inside. Keep the windows and doors of the vehicle shut. Okay, so what we have to do keep the window and doors of the vehicle shut. Understood? So these two terms we are using more and more. So what we are during thunderstorm, so what is the do's and don'ts during the thunderstorms, what we have to do and what we do not use in thunderstorm. Okay, so pros and cons of thunderstorm. So do's and don'ts 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 during thunderstorm. Okay, so when we are outside the houses, what we have to do, we have to write down outside the house. So first we have to do not carry an umbrella over your hands. So keep in mind, when you are outside the houses, do not carry an umbrella over your head. Okay, second point, do not lie on ground. Do not lie on the ground. Okay, so second point, do not lie on the ground. Okay, if there is no shelter around, take shelter under shorter trees. So third is most important point, if there is no shelter around, take appropriate shelter or shelter under shorter tree, because if we are using shelter, we keep our whole body safe. So when we are outside the houses, we do all these aspect. Okay, and next thing, when we are inside the houses, what we do, when we are inside the houses, what we have to do, so write down the first point, unplug the TV sets and all the electrical devices. Do not use weird phone. So this is also write down, do not use the wired phones. Okay, so because if we are using, so it will be electrically used all this material, so that's why we are not use. Do not take bath during thunderstorm. So it is very important. Do not take bath during thunder storms. Okay, and avoid contact with running water, and also avoid contact with running water. Do not stand nearer windows or in balcony having metallic railing. So all these things, so in this particular video we are discussing all these things, and next video we have to make the lightning conductor, earthquakes. So it will be very important. So what is the assignment for this today's video? So assignment for today's video are, I will write here. First question, what is the loud sound? What is the loud sound? What is the loud sound produced during lightning called? So this is the first question. And second question, what precautions would you take while traveling in a car? What precaution would you take while traveling in a car during a thunderstorm? Okay, students. So two questions for you all, and this is today's assignment question. So if you are do all these things, send me on particular WhatsApp group or my own WhatsApp group. Okay, so today's onwards what we will learn, we have to be learn the lightning safety. If traveling by bus, you are safer inside. Keep the doors of the vehicle shut. Do's and don'ts during thunderstorm outside the houses: do not carry the umbrella overhead, do not lie on the ground. And third point is more important: if there is no shelter around, take shelter under shorter trees. So 3 point when you are outside the house. And next, inside the house, when you are inside the house and storm thunder is coming up, so unplug the TV sets, do not use the wired phone, and do not take bath during thunderstorm. So keep in mind all these things. Stay happy, stay connected with us. Thank you. Jai Hind.